Hello, welcome to welcome to my channel. I remember myself, the great Johnsonkeyz. All right, so today I want to show you a nice drop to diminished chord for your 736. I did this in the key of C in a video just maybe 2 videos before this or so, and then I decided to do it in the key of F because I got people asking for that also. So it goes like this. Okay. I'll study search for so look at her. Okay, so I'm going to teach you the chords now. I'm going to show you the chords. I'm in the key of F. Alright, so but before I do that, I want to quickly introduce you to my new piano intermediate course that came out just recently. And yeah, you can see the syllabus on the screen. It contains those topics I taught them in a well-explained video, over 2 hours video with PDF and MIDI files. You get all that. So, and it's just 4,000 naira for people in Nigeria, and then $12 for people overseas. So to get your copy, my WhatsApp number is on the the comment section. So just get my WhatsApp on the comment section and then chat me up to buy your copy from any part of the world. Just like you can watch me now, you can get my materials. Of course, a lot of people already have this in various countries. Yeah, so I'll be expecting a WhatsApp. All right, God bless you. So back to our tutorial. So the chord goes like this. In the intermediate piano course, I explained a lot of other diminished chords and drop too. So but I'm going to quickly show you that for this class. So the chords I'm using, instead of doing this song was supposed to go 7 3 6. So instead of going that lane, we are now pushing the diminished drop to voices to cover that space, just like we are doing a melodic movement. Okay, so it goes like this. The first chord is F diminished chord, but then it applied in drop 2 on drop 2. So when I say drop 2, I mean first melody, second melody in your chord. So the second melody in the chord has the 2, so it's dropped to the left hand. So we have a flat 5 here. That happens to flat 5. So we have a flat 5, which is B here. We have a F, A flat, and D here. So then it goes to A flat diminished 7 chord. So we have on the left we have a D, on the right we have a flat, B, and F. So from this chord to this chord, that's the first. Then the second one, this chord, we have a G diminished 7 chord here, which is on the left we have a D flat. Then on the right we have a G, we have a B flat, then we have a E, G, B flat, E. So that's a G diminished 7 chord. So the next chord is we have a E on our left hand. Then on the right hand we have a B flat, we have a D flat, and then we have a G. So it goes. Then you can go one more, which is to your. You have a next chord. You have a 2 on your left. On the right you have a sharp 5. You have a flat 6, and then your 4. So it goes like this. Then to your 6th chord. So let's try that. So you go like that. To your 6th chord, of course, your 6, 1, 3 on the left, your 5, 1, 3 on the right. You can add the 5 also on the top. Then let me give you a 2 chord. So for your 2 chord, you can have your 2 and then your 1 on the left. On the right, you have a flat 5, you have a 7, and then you have a 9, right? Then your 5 chord. for your 5 chord, you have your 5 and then your 2 on the left. Let's say 5 and 9 on the left. On the right, you have a 11, you have a 7th, flattened 7th, of course. Then your 9 on the left hand also, on the right hand also. So then you go to your 1 chord, which is most times a dominant chord. So you have a 1 and flattened 7th, that's minor 7th interval on your left. Then on your right, you have your 3rd, your sharp 5, and then your flattened 7th also. Then to your 4. So on your 4, you have a 4 and 1 on the left. On the right, you have a 3, 6, 1. So together it goes like this. You can do a slow from the B flat to the E. E flat rather to the E. The water so my soul. If you've not subscribed, please click the subscribe button for many more videos. And don't forget to chat me up to buy your intermediate course now. From everywhere in the world. God bless you. Bye.